One of the Magnificent Seven. Magnificent Seven from your side, from your point of view, the Magnificent Seven. Which one? Finished goods is incorrect. Finished goods is incorrect. Brittany? It is incorrect. Cost of goods sold is incorrect. Jackie? We've eliminated 2. There are still 5 choices left. Work in process. Process of elimination, work in process. Yes, it is work in process. Why? We are given information about, oh, is it work in process? I don't think so, actually. Yeah, I think it's finished goods. Brandon? In the video last year, it was finished goods. And he told me a year ago today, for this class period, Brandon informs me I was wearing the same shirt. At least one person thought that was funny. I thought that was funny. But, you know, I wear this shirt how many times? This is probably only the second time this semester. First time this semester. So, I mean, it's not like it's a shirt I wear all the time. America, I do not wear it all the time. I just, for whatever reason, like wearing it when I'm teaching about budgeting. When I'm teaching budgeting, apparently I like this shirt. Yes, sir.
What was funny was when I first watched the video, I was like, whoa, that's a crazy looking shirt.
So he got a good laugh too. Evan, are you doing okay?
Yeah.
You don't remember the shirts, but this is kind of a unique shirt.
I know, that's why you would think
It's kind of a unique shirt. So yeah, the account is actually, sorry, it wasn't work in process. It was, the appropriate account that we're going to draw on the board is finished goods. Because finished goods is the only account, if you notice, we're given information about sales, and we're asked to calculate information about production. Isn't that not correct? I do believe so. Is that correct?
Yeah.
This means yes?
You need to produce.
This means no. Okay. And so finished goods includes both of those pieces of information. Where does units sold appear in that T account? Chance? In the finished goods T account. And while you're talking, I'll put one on the board that might. It'd be on the credit side. It's the out, right? Where's production going to appear in a finished goods T account? Holden? Which, top, middle, or bottom? No. So now we're down to the only one left.
It's like,
Middle, in.
yeah, okay, middle.
The in. Well, well, it is above the line. Yes. Is that what? But there's 2 numbers above the line. Which of those 2 were you thinking about with your first answer? You're not sure that's what you didn't say. And so we don't know if your first answer was wrong or right yet. Then. Okay. So if you said this one, that's the one I was after. So not the top one, not the bottom one, but the middle one. Okay, that's the one I was after. So finished goods, which months? Nick, what months am I doing finished goods for? Nick? Okay. Second sentence.
1600.
No. What months?
Oh, sorry.
You're doing more work than you need to.
January, February, March, and April.
Yes, that's what I'm after. There you go. That was an easy question. See, I was being nice to Nick. See, I can ask Robina a harder question later. See, now I have to ask Robina a really easy one, too. Or else she'll think I'm being really mean to her. Whew. Heidi, very good choice of drink. For some reason, that has been my favorite for the last few months.
Well, for some
Yeah, Sunkist, you're right, Sunkist, I would agree, Sunkist is better, but you have to stop at a gas station on the way in to get one of those. What number would you like me to put on the board? Just pick one, because there's lots of numbers here, and that's going to be lots of opportunities for other people to talk. 15,000 is what?
15,600.
And so where's that go? Yeah. That? Yes. Okay. Kaylee, another number, please. Jennifer, I'm sorry I'm so boring.
16,500
What is the fancy accounting name for the right side? Credit. Just checking. Just checking. Because, you know, Heidi said the credit side, and then you said the right side, you know. Sarah, another number, please. 18,000. See, now you asked, you started your sentence with a question and then ended it with a statement. 15, yes. Say, because you said it in terms of tone of voice. What's the number you gave me again?
18,500.
Yes, 18,500 in the month of March. Huh? That's not right? Oh, that's April. But in terms of tone of voice, your voice went up, and then in the month of. So you read the number with a up, and then said the month with a down. So you asked it with a question and answered, and kind of, anyway. It's useful. It is useful to be aware of what your voice is telling people. It's very useful in interview situations, for instance. You don't want to, you know, when they say, "Hey, how are you doing?" "I'm doing fine." You know, that's really not how you want to answer that question. "I'm doing fine." So are you doing fine or are you not doing fine? Okay. But what number, say again what number you want to give me. 18,500?
Yeah, for April.
For April. Okay, 18,500 for April. You knew that though, right? Awesome. Tyler, you're on.
16,000
I think all the easy ones have now been taken. Is that true? Evan? So you're stuck with something a little more difficult.
1,600 the start of January.
There's still an easy one left. Ouch. Top, middle, bottom.
Top.
Ouch. These tables do not move when you hit them. My knee discovered. Whitney? That is up. That's down. And possums are awesome. And so?
If you're waiting on a number, then you might get skipped.
I am waiting on a number. Jackie's trying to be helpful, I think.
No, she's not. It's clear.
It's clear?
It's clear.
Oh, yeah. No, this is clear.
Sorry. Oh, I thought that was
Yes.
ending. Okay.
We are given one more piece of information that's pretty useful, isn't it? Aren't we? Have we been given another piece of information? She's not looking because she just had her name card called, so she's not worried about being called upon again. 10%.